In this video, we want to discuss why SoundHound lost roughly 30% in the month of January. Now, before we get into the technicals, let's get some clues as to why price pulled back from all-time highs near this $25 level. So SoundHound has been one of the most volatile stocks in AI, and that pattern continued in January. In a rough month for AI stock, SoundHound, which provides AI voice technology for car makers, restaurant chains, and others, finished on the losing side. But it wasn't Chinese AI startup DeepSeek that spoiled the month. The stock slid came predominantly during the week of CES, which took place between January 7th and 11th, as some of its competitors made some important strides, and investors seemed unimpressed with SoundHound's presentation. SoundHound fell during CES, formerly known as the Consumer Electronics Show, as it disappointed investors with its own presentation, while rival Cerence AI impressed the markets. Cerence announced a new automotive collaboration with Nvidia, which is also an investor in SoundHound. However, SoundHound bounced back on January 21st when the stock jumped 21% after it signed up Rekor, a roadway intelligence technology company, to pattern with SoundHound to help emergency personnel like police, fire, and rescue use voice commands for systems like license plate recognition. Now, you got to remember, SoundHound isn't profitable, and it trades at a hefty price-to-sales ratio of 72. However, the company is still small, and revenue is only expected to be a little less than $100 million. Now, the AI stock is growing quickly, you got to remember that, but it has a lot to prove as a business. If it emerges as a leader in voice AI, it could be huge, but it seems likely to run into competition from big companies if it continues to grow. And so there you have it. You did have price at all-time highs, and in the process, it did form a rally base drop in the form of a weekly sell zone at $24. And price is now kind of hovering around this local support resistance at $14. We can see that on the daily chart a bit better. Has some basing before the move higher. Again, basing before the move higher. And then some more basing before the move higher. Now, if price is going to move higher, it needs to close this gap at $18. However, for longer term investors, if you get an absolute drop, this is where you would be backing up the dump truck at this weekly buy level at $8. And you can see that a bit better on the weekly chart. You had a rally in price, one basing candle, and then the rally out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.